students, hopes you will be fine. Today we will start the revision of unit number 6, that is soil. After read this unit, you will learn that soil is made up of water, air, minerals and organic matter. There are different layers of soil. Moisture has different effect on different types of soil. Basically, moisture is the amount of water vapors that present in the air. What is soil? Soil basically is a mixture of organic matter, minerals and liquid like water. Soil found everywhere and covers the whole earth's surface. It provides shelter, nutrients to the plants and other living organisms that live in it. Soil can be found almost everywhere on land. It is the material that covers the earth's surface. Soil is very important because many living things use it as the supply of nutrients and place of shelter. What are nutrients? Nutrients provide food and build the tissues of the living organisms. All the plants that we eat grow in soil. Plants directly or indirectly are the source of energy for all living things on our planet because we get food from the plants. Soil support plants by holding their root firmly and by providing important nutrients for their healthy growth. And soil is used to make useful objects. The next topic is what soil is made up of. What is the composition of the soil? Basically, soil is made up of 4 things. These are water, air, basically air present between the soil particles. Particles of minerals. Minerals provide energy and build the tissues of living organisms. And organic matter that contains dead plants and animals. Minerals come from the broken rocks found under the ground. It takes years for good fertile soil to form. Living things such as animals and plants die. They rot. Rot means decay, break down and mix with the top soil. This soil is rich and fertile. It is called humus. Plants grow well in humus because humus contains organic matter, that is the dead remains of plants and animals. Today our next topic is animals live in soil. Why animals live in soil? We all know that soil provides shelter and nutrients to the animals and plants. For example, some animals, earthworm, millipede, beetles, ants, slug, live in the soil and they aerate the soil. Aerate means bring air into or between the particles of the soil that help the plant roots and the living organisms, while their waste enrich the soil. In return, these animals get nutrients and shelter or living space from soil. Like Earth, Mars and Venus both have plenty of rocks. But question is that why soil is not present on Mars and Venus? Because life is absent on Mars and Venus. That's why there are no bacteria or fungi to make humus and no rabbits or earthworms to loosen the topsoil or to aerate the soil. Now we'll move towards the exercise. The exercise question number 4. Answer these questions. Part 1. What is soil and what is it composed of? The answer is that soil is the material that covers the earth's surface. This is the answer of the question part 1. What is the soil? And the answer of the second part of the question is soil is made up of 4 things. These are water, air, particles of minerals and organic matter, dead plants and animals. That is, write 2 ways in which soil is important for living things. The answer of this question is on page number 54. Soil is very important because many living things use it as their supply of nutrients and place of shelter. Soil basically provides nutrients, important nutrients to the plants for their proper growth and provide living space for the microorganisms, for example, earthworm, ants, slugs. All the plants that we eat grow in soil. This is the answer of question 4, part 3. The part 4, how do small animals improve the soil? So on page number 55, start from here. Smaller animals such as earthworms, millipedes, beetles, ants and slugs live in the soil. These animals help to aerate the soil while their waste enrich the soil. Aerate means bring air into the soil or between the soil particles. This air helps the plant roots and necessary for the animals and microorganisms breathing that live in the soil. The waste material of the microorganisms and the animals improve the soil quality. How? Because the waste of the animals and microorganisms that live in the soil have some important nutrients, for example nitrogen, carbon, etc. These nutrients are important for the plant growth. Hope you will understand. Thank you for listening.